Hello and welcome to another Grooveworks video. I'm Kieran Kuskopf and today we're having a look at the basic shuffle, which looks like this. So the shuffle is a really interesting groove, and you'll find it in genres like blues, like rock, like country. And the thing that makes this one so interesting is the hi-hat pattern is now not constant. All the other grooves we've looked at have had a constant hi-hat, but this one, the rhythm is a little bit different, and that's why we call it the shuffle. Now, if you're having a look at the music, you can see that we're using a dotted 8th note and a 16th note, which makes our, you might know this language, makes a tim-ka pattern. So either you can count it as a tim, ka-tim, ka-tim, to ka-tim, or you can count it as 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. So as it's written, we're cutting the beat into 4 and playing on the first and the last note of each beat, like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. But usually when we play shuffle, you kind of end up swinging it a little bit, so it's more like you're cutting it into 3, like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And if you've never done the shuffle before, I definitely suggest just trying the hi-hat first. Do it in 16th notes and in triplets, and make sure you're counting just to be accurate. Once you got that, I would just do your hi-hat with your bass first, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hi-hat and snare. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then try to put the two together. Now we've already heard what this groove sounds like in its basic form. Let's hear what it sounds like when you complicate it.